This is a true story. So 3 weeks ago on Instagram, I started Style Tip Tuesday. This is me in the first instance of Style Tip Tuesday, just like you see there. And there's the date stamp, 3 weeks ago. What it should have been called was Stress-Free Style Tip Tuesday. And the reason why is because I'd recently rebranded a program that I'd created to becoming the Chill Code, which you now see here. And if you don't know what the Chill Code is, the Chill Code is all about a 4-step process that business owners and entrepreneurs turn to in order to stress less, get more done, and grow their business. And still have time, or still have a life, and find time to chill a little bit more. So what this means is you own a business, right? If you own a business, I should say, or aspire to, i.e. you're going to be a solopreneur, or you're an entrepreneur and you want to start a business but can't seem to finish and have failed, or you're a professional with hopes of being one, right? Or the other, as in you want to be a business owner or an entrepreneur, or both. And you want to stress, or I should say, stress and overwhelm has gotten in the way or stopped you. And you're really looking for answers that could help you stress less, get more done, and thrive, then you should be on the next live virtual event. Now, to go back to the story that I started this off with, during this past week's Style Tip Tuesday post, I said, know your legend. I literally used that phrase inside of the video that I created to share about my philosophy on style. 2 days after that Style Tip video post was uploaded, about 2 days or so, 3 at the most, this happens. Now, without being silly and name dropping here, if you don't know who's in the image, that's okay. That probably means this video may not be for you. You should probably just click away. All right? But it's not a coincidence that this picture was taken, right? Just a couple days after I did that video. Now the question becomes why we met and what did we do together? And we'll touch on that during the next event that you'll be registering for, right? It's what you and I both struggle with, just to give you a hint. And it has to do with stressing less, getting more done, and having time to chill and enjoy family. Just to be clear, this is a rock and roll legend, singer-songwriter, record producer, philanthropist, actor, Grammy Award winner, and still human enough to get assistance. So, an American rock and roll legend essentially worked with me to help him with stressing less, getting more done early, and having time to tend to other things in his life that matter to him. So the question I would have for you is, what do you turn to? Or who do you turn to for stressing less, getting more done, and growing in your business so you can have time to chill? And if you don't have that structure in place or a situation in place to support you, that's the reason I'm inviting you to see what most people don't and can't sometimes and actually do something about it. So you're invited if you meet the following criteria. You own a business or aspire to, i.e. you're going to be a solo entrepreneur, or you're currently operating as a solo entrepreneur. You're an entrepreneur, you started a business but you can't seem to finish and have failed, right? As in you just know it's going down the tube. Or you're a professional with hopes of being one or the other, either being a business owner or an entrepreneur, or both. And stress and overwhelm has gotten in the way or stopped you from actually producing the results you want to produce. And you're really looking for help that could help you stress less, get more done, and grow in your business and enjoy your life. So get your stress-free life event invitation link. That's a very simple process. I'll make the link available below, but if you're looking at this, depending on whether you're using a mobile device or seeing it on a particular social media platform where you can't access the link, here is where you can go to just get the link you need to be a part of the next live event. You can go there and you will be all set with everything that you need and instructions given and provided for you to register and be a part of the next event. So hope this has been inspiring to you. It has been inspiring to me because I am actually living this stuff out, right? I'm not making this up or pulling it out of thin air, but this is real. So if you are interested in having a stress-free life experience using the particular approach that I've shared with you, or at least hinted at in this video, definitely reach out, head over to the link here, or the site that you see here, and get the information you need to stress less, get more done, and of course, grow in your business while you're enjoying your life and still have the time to chill a little bit more. All right, guys, thanks for watching.